This individual goes by the name Dontay, and he has been making waves on the internet from a very tender age. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this young individual that has been creating history right across when he broke on the scene with one particular video that is still making rounds on social media. He has also appeared on the Miss Donna program, and through the kind aids of individuals, he was able to start his own pineapple farm. But if you don't know who I'm talking about, let me just drag your memory a little with this video.
What is them on the road?
Yeah.
Then moving on. Now drive the jeep over the tunnel.
Yeah.
So he stopped the on the road. I tell him, say, give me my license. So the police are here. And I don't make one person. And then police are they like cockroach. And then sure.
You see like what?
Cockroach.
Yeah.
Yeah. And mud gun. So I don't go one of them police there. Stop. Now start there, say, when I speed, I go to my girlfriend.
Where you go, Papa?
My girlfriend.
And where you do?
Get my girlfriend and go to the beach. So the boy then stop me on the road because I have speed. But my girlfriend never there in the car yet, no. They pick her up. Go shoot me down at the beach. Get it?
Yeah.
Go and shit. But the police stopped me and asked me for my license. Now I beg the police down and the police said, please, police, you put my girlfriend in and you got the beach for my girlfriend and was feeling up. So when we realized it, police give me a chance. And police them will see the part. I put that one police and last time got another one them. I want another one police to see the speed back police car.
Yeah.
So the two police that stop the car, but I know the front of the cars. Then the two police that will back me up. No speed back one another police. I know that I reached at the beach with my girlfriend. The girlfriend kissed me up.
What?
Yeah.
You get kiss up?
Yeah, I wrote my back.
What?
Yeah, man.
Where you going?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. But when you drive on the road, man, you have to speed, you have to take your time.
Yeah, but I saw my girlfriend now pick up.
Yeah.
And tell her the time.
Yeah.
The time she won't go away.
And she take long to get ready.
She ready long time and I called me when the police said it. Ready now?
Yeah.
What they're going around. They're not empty. I'm going ready. That's so nice. Drink some rum. I'm sitting with my friend and rum.
Yeah. You drink some what?
Rum.
What kind of rum?
Any kind of red stripe.
Red stripe and a rum. You love beer?
Yeah, beer, but I love beer.
You love beer?
Drunk in that place.
You drunk in that place?
Yeah.
And you drive?
You're not driving like that, mate.
You're not driving time there?
No, but I'm good that time, mate.
Alright, you want me now. I go up on the road and make some money, so. We will get that, see?
If this is not what true talent is, then I'm lost. Well, we're going to discuss him on the program after Miss Donna paid him a special visit at a location in Kingston. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links007 TV Let's Talk, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links007 TV Let's Talk. So the individual that I want to talk about today goes by the name Dontay, and as I said before, he has been creating waves on the internet with a number of videos that have surfaced of him since he was at tender age. Now recently a video of him surfaced with Miss Donna paying him a visit at a location. Now we want to share that video with you right now on the program, then we're going to provide a brief discussion afterwards. So let's go over to that video right now after he was seen sitting with the Minister of Health, Dr. Christopher Tufton. Then Miss Donna paid him a visit. You want to see how excited this individual was, and we want to share this special video with you right now on our platform. Let's go over to that right now.
Fresh mask.
So you eating now, so you're not weird.
I was sunny ties. Me sunny ties away too. Yeah? But I stay home straight. Wait!
Good evening. Nobody will cry, you know. I'm not crying. Oh, God. Nobody, oh, God, I'm not crying. Oh, God, nobody, oh, come. Good night. I'm not crying now, and I see my cry for real, Dontay. Oh, God. Dontay. Don't make them see her cry, Dontay. Dontay, me don't want him. Pull my back for me now, please.
Auntie Donna, show me I love Andrew Wallace and Brother Wallace.
You know me love Andrew Wallace.
I'm telling him that you want me to make a meeting and I know that I really want to meet him too.
Jeez, Dontay, look, you can't make the plank of them see her cry, Dontay. Dontay. So I bring you a gift. Where did you tell me to buy for you? Where you tell me to say you like?
Oh, cool one then.
You looking at the bag. Dontay, you can't make the people them see her cry, Dontay. Jesus have mercy, I'm never afraid. Dontay, you say you're not going to cry. Good night. Hi, good night, Dr. Tufton.
How are you?
Nice to meet you. Yes.
Why you speak so much about you?
Oh, Dontay, yeah, I'm a baby, my husband. You must have me to do it again. I'm never afraid. Dontay, you make the plank of them see her cry. And you say you're not going to cry. Tell them say you're crying. Dontay, you crying?
Nobody knows it, you know.
He loves you.
Me know him love me. Oh, God.
Dontay.
I mean, when you say you don't know what to do.
I just met her a while ago.
What's that, Dontay?
Never know, you phone me.
It's a good gift. A good gift. Is it a good gift?
I never. Yeah. Happy birthday, Dontay. Dontay, I can't believe say. Yeah, cry. Them are going to mock you, Dontay. You cannot allow
Well,
them.
you see them now.
Uh-huh.
I have a lot of emotional, you know.
Yes.
Because you know, she know it. You see every time when I have the green bell.
Yeah. You must, Dontay.
Guys, love everybody out there. Love
Dontay,
Donna.
I don't know if you go like this, but I stop and I get you perfume. Because the last time you come, you say, and it gift wrap. I don't know if you like it. Ooh, bullet Dontay. I can't believe that Dontay that you're a cry.
Oh, this was something stunning.
But Dontay, you tell him say you're not going to cry.
Because I'm crying, people are crying, they say cry.
Oh no, Dontay.
Then I'm telling him, I say, you don't know why I do all of them things.
I thought you tell him.
But you know, sir, she
Don't know what the problem is.
yeah, you know, she do a lot of things about a lot of people, and you know,
I know that.
a lot of things. So you know, I just feel happy, so you know,
I'm happy to meet
you
her.
know, because you see, I've been enough times out there. She, you know, some people just, you know.
But guess what? Guess what is good about it? She cheer you up, she make you feel happy. Tears of joy, this, right? That is your cologne. Wow.
Because shit. I blew one. Ooh.
The master. I never.
I'm here, my grandfather say shh. Me I say walk on.
Yeah. Dontay, me stand up and watch you, but you did so deep down in a conversation.
Yeah, take it
I'm
all, let me
telling
see
you
it.
more than one time, boy.
What you tell him, say?
I should love you.
You did?
You see,
He's serious, you know?
Donna is a very nice lady.
No, you told me that.
You know.
You told me that she set you up in a farming and that you're going to give her the first set of crop.
You know some kind of.
First crop you reap. Let me see your
Master,
cologne.
Dontay is
Let me a dream.
Dontay money.
Oh, but I can't believe. Every night, I watch until that.
Dontay.
Guys.
No bother with the crunch. The
Mommy.
plank of them I see.
Mommy. You see?
Your mommy on the live. Let me
Grandmother
talk to
too.
them for a little bit, Dontay.
5,000 people.
5,000 people watching you, Dontay. Now make that
Oh,
Dontay.
Miss Claudette.
You don't look for Dante, no Dante.
Oh, we can't take a pressure on me, man.
Dante. Wait, I never remember how to turn the camera, Dante. Dante, look. You tell them so you're not going to cry, no, Dante. And them see you cry. Eh? And you still a cry.
Cries of happiness.
Oh my
Why
God.
they hold the phone there? Make sure,
Oh my God, man.
make sure,
Versace, baby. You're gonna see all this all over YouTube.
Dante.
Oh my God, Auntie Donna.
Eh?
I don't know what to say right now, Auntie Donna.
Yes,
Auntie Donna, everybody support you, Auntie Donna. I really appreciate it.
Yes.
You know, I want to big up to Shan as well. Because I love her.
Yes.
She's the number one as well.
So how come you get to meet Dr. Tuftan?
Well, it's a long story, you know. Very long story. Because sometimes, you know, sometimes you respond to some of your fans out there.
Hey!
I saw a beautiful lady and she was there with me and all that. And I respond to her and with the power of God. Thanks to God, everything right there, so me I wonder how I'm still a truth.
Yes.
But you share a response to her in that scene, and like my father speaking, response to her, and then, just everything just happens so, you know.
Yes.
And then, you come in my life as
Jesus.
well.
But Dante, me not like that, you know, because they see you talk when you have girl in a hot tub. And it's easy to tell us.
Ui, you tell them.
Oh, you're right. Any other girl in a Dante?
Nothing like that.
Oh, come it's a real eye water shed right here now. So if you did have any other girl, Auntie Donna would have vexed.
Never. Auntie Donna will never see that far.
Oh,
Never.
so me not gonna see no girl.
No.
Alright, Dante, make
Auntie
sure.
Donna get KFC today now.
You get KFC? Who tell you got KFC?
You know, me and my father got KFC today.
Oh, your father took you to KFC?
Yeah.
Auntie Dante, I have something else here from the Plunker them. Miss Moss from Orlando. She sent you $10,000. She didn't know that it was your birthday, but I got this for you when you leave. So I want you to count it. Put your perfume, Dante.
Grandfather have one too, you know.
Grandfather have one too?
Grandfather have the lower one.
And a grandfather there. No, sir. Look how little bit to know. Alright, count your money, Dante, from Miss Moss in Orlando.
There goes a lot of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And Dante, blessed cat lady, she give me $3,000 to give you. The blessed cat lady.
Thanks, blessed cat lady.
Yes.
I have a cat at my father's shop.
I know a lot of them guys send presents for you, Dante. You can get the sanitizer, please.
Sweet here, guys, $3,000. The blessed lady, cat lady.
Yes, for the blessed cat lady. Okay. So how you spend your birthday, you know? Tell me what going from morning.
Auntie Donna, I say me go stay in my yard today.
You say that go stay in your yard today? Why?
Because, today was, never get to swim because it's special moments, and I really would want to go and swim, but, everything just happened just like that, and I just can't believe,
So Dante, me didn't know say your birthday, but me act like me not remember. So, me no bother put up no picture for you now, so me know. So when time I hear say you're gone now, me say, Dante, don't make it know me I go come. Me I go come and surprise him. So I don't want to put up no picture. Do you feel like say me know, so I say I want to come surprise you. But me talk to your parents.
I'm look for you something, I'm see you put up a picture there, and I say, this is what I think, you know. And I say, well,
Anything I put up, watch it that day.
I say, one thing I know, she say I'm going to eat. So me one day, some of the day I'm just I relax, and then no. Well, we can't believe all of this right here.
You're a superstar. Yeah, everybody love Dante. You saw to go sign autograph.
Quarantine, you know, guys.
Yes.
We're quarantined, we're in the mask now. And the mosquito them gone. That's
Yeah, the mosquito was here.
good. Yes, sir. They came to visit for a little bit.
Run them.
Why they never come when they're here? You run them with Dontay.
Until I'm feeling me a dream.
Yeah, no, look here, look there. Look out there, so. You're not a dream. This is my dream for true, though.
You're in a good state. You're in a good state.
Yeah. Eh? If a bodyguard, I'm not a bodyguard. I might be a doctor to find bodyguard.
You know, today it mean a lot to me because someone say you love the honorable and journalist.
Oh, yes, man. I love him bad.
And you say it needs to be a light, bright link to make a meeting.
When the right time come, man.
Long
Me meet him already, him talk to me, but it no say me. Long time. But when the right time come. So you love that type of stuff?
Well, I don't too much more like that, you know. But I hear about him, you know. Hear about him, because my grandfather enough time. You know, sometimes I sit down with him and watch news.
Oh. Oh.
Anyway, he's a very talented young man.
Very much so.
Wish you all the best for him.
Yes, yes.
Dontay, happy birthday again, sir. Alright?
I got to show you how you special, you know,
A
Dontay.
big day. Huh?
That Dr. Tufton came out for your birthday. Him no go out for anybody birthday, you know. Dontay birthday. No matter with the crying, because you tell the people that you're not crying. Jeez,
Keep spreading the positive message, alright? That's important.
yes.
Because that's your child shall lead them, right? And you do the right thing. And keep working hard at school. And your farming.
I'm going to make a plank of them see him face though, please. How much of them are watching?
8,000.
8,000 plank of watching. You're going to make them laugh off of me and you're done time. You come and say you're not going to cry, Auntie Donna.
Today I just feel emotional. Just not know if I said to you, he helped me out in my farming. I never think me never go all the way down in my backyard to go do big farming. And you know, you help a lot of people, so I really want to do there for help people out there as well. Who's in need.
Yeah, man, just continue to have that same mindset.
Yes.
It can't happen. Because you start out already. The pepper tree bear one pepper. I'm going to pick it and it's right. And the flowers them are grow and the meat. The maca one pick you up now because the rain I catch it. But me want to come up at your house today. But me said no because the time schedule. But you soon see me for see the pretty farm. So like how the rain fall in the pine tree catch.
They find them, all I find them, we get out to them.
Oh. And the plank of them proud of you, Dontay, because they saw that the donation that you got as a child, you put it towards your farm, and they saw the truckload of pine sucker, everybody message, Auntie Donna, look what Dontay got. Dontay really went out and, you know, for other young, you are just 11 years old, right? 12. Oh, today I'm at 12.
Right.
Happy birthday, Dontay. And for other 12 years was to see your inspiration to them, to want to take up agriculture, to want to take up farming. Because it might be next year, them time you sell pine. No bother with the crying, Dontay, man. You people them, you tell them, say you're not cry, Dontay. You make them a solid.
Love you too.
Love you, Dontay.
You love Auntie Claude. Marcia. Love you, Dontay. No bother cry, Dontay. Don't make the people them see you cry. We don't want them mock you tomorrow, you know, Dontay, and say not cry and look them a cry.
Anyway, Dontay, I'm going to make sure you get some important things for school, alright? So we'll be in touch with you, and we're going to make sure you get some book voucher and all the other stuff that you need for school. Alright? Very important. I know it's crying of joy, so don't worry. There's nothing wrong with that. A little crying is good sometimes, right?
Oh, I can't believe everything.
Believe it. You started my
Love you, Daddy.
Oh, are you a daddy? Come on, make the plank of them see because they want to know what an awesome dad. Come this side. Could you let the plank of them see Dontay? Alright,
Auntie Donna, me hear me now, me hear.
this is daddy right here. Daddy, can you talk to the Plankanarians to see what inspires you, what allow you to grow such an awesome child to what he's doing, or what type of childhood did you bring him up, or did you teach him to come out like this?
Well, I guess set the example for me, you know.
Yeah.
As a child, same just like what I'm doing now, I used to do it, you know. So I get.
Oh, it just growing on him.
Yeah.
Oh, was a big up to my grandfather too.
My grandfather there. Come grandfather, come in the camera and make the plan.
Come give me my hug.
Alright, Dante, the crying. Nobody was there, Dante.
So this is Grandpa right here.
Me not laugh off of you.
Grandpa right here. The Grandpa. Talk to
Me
Grandpa.
not laugh off of you.
Come down now, nobody was there.
Oh, best birthday, thank God. And you pray every night.
Oh God, Dante, you really have been.
Oh, I pray every night and then I pray about Jamaica.
Yes.
I pray, and I want to say big up to the Prime Minister.
Big up to the Prime Minister.
And I know you couldn't be right here right now.
Oh God.
I just want to say big up to you as well. And big up to you. You see on TV every time. Oh.
All right, Dante.
Oh, thank God. I did not know.
Dante, me no want to laugh. Dante, I'm happy for you, say you're happy.
Auntie Donna, you just like it.
You eat the ice cream?
Ice cream, what the-
The way you make me a sweat.
Oh my God,
The
you
way
know.
you make me a sweat, Dante. Me can't sit down, all these things can't stay up on my ears.
Alright,
Claudia, go
so,
for one of the disposable masks, me now, please.
so everybody out there, you know, did I make a video today, you know, say, you work on my farm, you know.
Hey, are you not sending it to me?
She must say me I'll post it in the evening, Auntie Donna.
Oh, you can
And,
post it.
so, it's on my YouTube channel, guys. My Instagram.
Everything them are going to follow you. Me are going to share it.
And,
You can share Instagram name.
oh my God. Oh,
Grandfather, you must see my God say yeah. Grandfather, you must see my God say
Oh, all the plantations out there, you know. It's curfew time.
what time now? What time now?
Love all of you guys, love all of you guys,
It's what
love all
time
of you,
now?
love all of you guys. So, you know,
What time?
After 6.
just
I
enjoy
don't know a few
myself.
time yet, Dante. Sit down back. You're not ready for left yet.
Just
This
enjoy
after 6 the
myself.
place I'm going to dark up. Eh? Dante, look how you do. You're the main attraction in Jamaica. You know, see minister them come out to see you,
Auntie Donna,
Dante.
you know, inspire me to Auntie Donna. Da Vinci, the last time tell me, say me a real talent. And keep on doing what you're doing.
Okay,
Da
that's the
Vinci.
singer.
Yes, and him say, one day I'm going to know, so me I come see you. So you're big like that and you have the talent. And then, you know, I always remember that from my birthday too. You watch me there and governor as well.
How name so?
Look at me, money. Look at me, money.
I don't know them the song by Dante.
Yes.
But I know Da Vinci.
Yes.
I know the one named Da Vinci.
Oh my God, Auntie Donna, I don't know. Everybody support me and all them things.
Yes.
It does mean a lot to me, and I want to say big up to my auntie as well.
Yeah, big up Auntie. Auntie festive in that man. Auntie breast.
No, I'm not
Auntie
going to
Fest.
show up on my camera. I turn it round like that. Alright now.
Yeah. Oh my God, Dante, I am so proud of you. I am. And Dante, look, you see when God ordained something. You remember the day when time me see you, you know, Dante. Me never know you, you know, Dante. I see you on social media a long time. But I just hear a break now. So everybody know Dante. Eh? And them love you. A man in the plank of them, the pan. Auntie Donna, you know, God, Dante. Eh?
Auntie Donna, you know, say, every time I think about the Auntie Donna, I go plant something down on the back of my yard. And he said, I love you to my heart.
You love me, Dante.
Auntie Donna, show
And
me.
Dante, amount of people who tell me that from morning. Oh God.
You know, it mean a lot to me when you post a video when the pepper grow. Because everybody get things and they take care of it.
True. And the pepper grow for true. Yeah. Oh God.
Auntie Donna, I just want to say big up to the planker them out there.
Yes.
Big up to everybody.
So how school?
School, Auntie Donna, nice and everything.
You read online?
2 o'clock, me done and me go on my farm.
Oh, 2 o'clock you finish?
Yeah, 2 o'clock. My mother and my grandmother. you know, until you call officer, until you call guys, because, you know, sometimes you don't have to have this drip. And you have this drip as well, Auntie Donna. I'm a grandmother, I'm a mother, you know. Miss when I was, that's the right name.
Yes.
My grandfather right there.
Okay.
He hears something, you know. I say things out of PS4, you know. I want a PS4, you know. Not to really.
But when my children them come a PS2 and PS1, they reach a 4 now.
4 or 5.
5. Oh.
Yes, 5.
I'm the back of time, Dante. So you got it?
Oh no, I not got it at my birthday.
Oh.
Yeah, so but really mean a lot to me. Miss God, Miss was you a call today, right?
You call Miss Claudette?
Today,
And what you tell her, say?
today I said, me really want to talk to you today. You know,
I mean, stay far from me because I act like me don't know. So I know I want you surprise because I tell you, say me I come, it wouldn't be a surprise.
but today I don't want a PS4, but I still want a PS4. But
No,
that might mean a lot to me because you inspire me and to that.
Yes, yes. And you eat, nah, no drop, man. But it's uncomfortable, this so mine ice cream throwing. You can only see me over there, so please.
Ready?
Daddy Dante, reaching in night, yeah. You give Daddy your money, Dante.
Trust him, man.
Eh?
Trust him.
You trust Daddy.
I trust my father, that name.
And ask the Blanca them if they want to ask Dante anything.
Guys, you want to say anything to me, guys?
Ask,
on my birthday?
No, she got to read the question them to you.
Oh, yeah.
If they want to ask any question, they can.
Yeah. Mean a lot to me, Auntie Donna. You mean a lot to me. You
Okay.
inspire me.
Because Dante, this video is going to go a whole heap of place, you know, Dante.
Yeah.
So all of your planka, them are going to see you.
I know for them never know say me talk about police, you know, but
You did talk about police?
me not talk
May I
about-
make them come here
No,
and
look
show
at
me?
me. I the one them a foreign.
Oh, what you did say?
The one them where I do the bad people them, but we're not going to talk about that.
Oh, we don't want to talk, because we want to drive go home.
You know, when you go,
We don't want the police go in trouble, me,
America, that
Dante.
name is and it's in Jamaica.
And I don't want when they go there, me can't reach there.
When you go
Not
some
talk nothing, Dante.
Alright then, no, guys, skip past that. Come on, so we don't go
Yes,
to
skip
the
past that.
Alright then, so guys, you know, today my birthday and Miss Garden,
You love Miss Claudette, oh, she love you too. Oh, God, Dante.
couldn't believe all of this. Auntie Donna, we have my first article one.
Oh, God.
Ooh, feel nice. I feel good, you know what I'm
You feel good.
saying? Donna, you know what she plant up on my yard?
Tell me what you
I
plant.
plant scallion, I plant potato, I plant, I get another batch of 100 pine. We're going to pour
So that you take all of the money and buy?
No, well, yeah, come use it on my farm. I'm not doing it for myself.
No, that me see that.
But you know, because through my
You know, so you're very passionate about the farming. You not stop talk about it.
farming, I do something until I just make me feel relaxed. I don't know, like, I feel more comfortable. Sometimes, maybe I'm not really stupid, but sometimes I stay there doing on my back of me and I shut to my plant.
Yeah, man, it good because me talk to my own them too, you know. Like my flowers, them sometimes I come out and I say, morning, and I say, oh, no look so today, I just look so droopy. I just wet them up and I say, oh, no come alive, man, I do want beard, you know. Them look a nice talk in there. You wonder if them ear, you feel them ear? Because them say flowers have life.
Yeah,
Nah.
Auntie Donna, you know something I always think about Auntie Donna. You see all of this Auntie Donna. You know, my grandpa, I have to say big thanks, my grandpa.
Grandfather, you did an awesome job.
Come on, I get to God's church and get to go closer to God as well.
All right, Dante.
Because most time, I did the Auntie Donna. And I just farming and, you know, it just make me feel good and make me feel, you know, make me feel more.
Well, Dante, I feel good to call when I look all about, I feel like I president me there on, you know. A beer foot man, me see line, you know, Dante. You know, see a beer body girl, that's the way I look. Yeah? But the way I'm afraid, me comfortable, I feel all afraid. I never see so much secret service from me bar. That me, I wonder what makes so much money in our food, I look on all about. We're well covered here, so Dante.
Well governed.
The minister of all kind of guard up your bound with tonight.
Auntie Donna, you know, everywhere I go, people know me. Want picture about me and say a corona.
Picture? Alright, so let me talk to them and say, Oh, you can use the other phone, are you?
I'm turning.
Okay, so she wants us to wrap up so we can take picture.
Yeah.
You have the next one? Okay, so all right then, Planka. We're gonna cut the live and take some picture. Let me see what some of them saying. Dontay, you really I respect you. Dontay, you have 10,000 people are watching.
No.
You know how much people that?
No fun, Auntie Donna. Auntie Donna is very emotional.
Yeah.
I know see it go there all over YouTube. Because when they post a video on YouTube, I don't like it in Auntie Donna.
What they do?
They make money off of you.
Let them go on, man.
Post video. Auntie Donna, you know about me too? You know about me too, Auntie Donna? Before they go get up and go make a video about themselves, they go find somebody. But you know what, Auntie Donna? You see, me and you meant to be, you know? It's when me and you meant to be, you know, it's a lot of love. And you see all the ladies out there, I say I love, I said I love you like, you know, love, you know?
Yeah.
But this love right here is so, what did I say now? Overwhelmed and conditional. What that right now? Conditional. Unconditional.
Yes.
Feel good. Me get ice cream today, Auntie Donna.
You get ice-
Me see top one for you, but treat melt out. And me see things me never go same time when we don't talk and it's got.
And it eat melt out.
Yeah, so.
And we're going to see if we can get one. Yeah, thanks to Mr.
Tufton.
Yes.
Yeah, yes. And me know, maybe me Prime Minister go see that video. Me know see Prime Minister Honorable Andrew Hall is going to see this video. So if you could DM me, it would mean a lot to me. And all the artists out there,
Yes.
DM me, Governor, everybody, popcorn to Auntie Donna. Auntie Donna, miss everybody.
Popcorn.
Boy,
Alright,
never afraid.
Alright.
Dontay say so.
Alright, never afraid until I big up everybody. Claudia, can hold this for me, please. Everybody love Dontay. So we're going to have a picture moment. You can't use this phone, Claudia, because we're not going to use. Hold this, turn it. Oh, alright, let me get
Well, there you have it. That's young Dontay celebrating his birthday with a special visit from Miss Donna. Now, Dr. Christopher Tufton was on hand for this special moment as well. And as you could see there in the video, Miss Donna bought him some perfume, and also he received some donations from overseas. But as you can see that this little young boy, he's such a great talent, very inspirational young man, and he is so abuzz with activities. I can tell you, I see him going far places based on his articulated skills, and also the fact that he is so vocal in expressing himself as well. He is such a wonderful talent. Now, as you see there, Dontay was just at a little location just to celebrate his birthday, and Miss Donna just came and just blew the whole thing into a bubble of excitement as he was so overjoyed, and he even started to cry at one point. I just want to say big respect to you, Dontay, and happy birthday. I just want to wish you all the best with whatever you plan to do with your life, and also I wish your farm the best with your pineapples that you started to do some time ago. But I can say this is a real talented individual, and I know that his families, his friends, and all who that associated themselves with him or associate themselves with him now currently is very overjoyed based on this, and they are proud. I know his family, they are very proud of him, and he is a great individual to just be around based on the vibe that he brings. It's such a wonderful experience to see him just enjoying his birthday. I'm not sure how old is he at this time, but this young man, he has been making waves on the internet for a very, very, very long time now. And he just goes to show you that he's one of our great young talents to reckon with. And we are watching out for him because we see him going far places depending on what he chooses to do with his life. We're gonna leave this one here for now. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're out for this one. Please remember to drop it in the comment section how you felt about watching this video. I look forward to hear your response in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please remember to do so. Links 007 TV. We're out for this one. Peace out. Happy birthday, Dontay. All right, bless.